Welcome to my channel, Pakistani Foof by Shakila. Let's start. White orad lentil, ½ cup. Yellow moong lentil, ½ cup. Add water, clean and wash. Soak for 4 hours or overnight. Drain the water. And place dal in a food processor. Cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon or as required. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Whole chili, 4 to 5 pieces. Green chili paste, 1 teaspoon. Ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Water, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Grind well. A smooth yet thick paste has formed. Baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon. Beat, 5 to 6 minutes. Note, batter must float on water. Fry on low-medium flame until light golden color. Keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Then fry again. Fry on medium-high flame until dark golden. Soak in water 40 to 50 minutes or until touch the surface. Gently squeeze. Remove the excess water. Yogurt, 4 to 5 cups. Salt, ½ teaspoon or as required. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Add milk gently, 1 cup. Or water. Yogurt mixture. Tamarind chutney. Mint chutney. Or green chili sauce. Papadum, papri. Pomegranate. Chaat masala. Thanks for watching, must try. Share, like and subscribe. Pakistani Food by Shakila.